Director of Handlooms and Textiles Manipur has issued warning against mass production of imitation of traditional handloom products protected under Handloom Reservation of Articles for Productions Act 1985. In a notice, Director Elangbam Jiten stated that traditional Manipuri fabrics including fanek, moirang phi, safi lan phi, wangkai phi, lairum phi and traditional shawls in a phi with specific motifs are legally reserved for handloom productions and cannot be produced on power looms. The notice emphasized that preserving these designs is crucial for safeguarding Manipur's cultural heritage and the livelihoods of thousands of indigenous weavers. The Directorate has reportedly detected several power looms units mass-producing cheap imitations of these reserved fabrics in violation of central law. It warned that strict legal action will be taken against violators during the ongoing enforcement drive, which has been in effect since January 30. As per Section 10 of the Act, offenders may face imprisonment of up to 6 months, a fine of up to 5,000 rupees per loom involved, confiscation of the fabric produced, and possible sealing of the unit.